Hi, I'm Dave Vanderveen, Chief Operating Officer at NewAge, and I'm so excited about this merger that we're doing. It's like two families coming together. You know, we're gonna keep all the things you love. We're gonna keep the products, the compensation, most importantly, the people that you love. We're gonna keep the name that you love, because that's really important to us, that we don't lose anything in this process, but more importantly, you're gonna get a lot more. You know, it's everything you love plus a lot more. We want to make sure that you're excited about this. We're not doing this to you, we're going to do this with you. We're going to bring you into the conversations as we move towards integration. We're not going to rush to it. We're not going to jump into it. We're going to work through it with you. We want to hear from you how we do this so that we can have a bigger family, a happier family, a family that loves each other, and a family that has more opportunity to grow equity, share our business, and grow your business around the world so that we can live healthy and we can do this together.
I am so excited by the news that we are sharing with you today. Why? Because this partnership allows us to spread more Noni love, to bring Noni to more people. We are going to be bigger and better than ever before. Why? We will have more products, more markets, more opportunities to grow your teams and business, more sharing of our mission to live healthy with the world. I am so excited today to help lead you on this journey, but what I'm most excited about is to be sharing it with all of you. Here is to our bright future together.
Hello everyone. I have to tell you, this merger that we're on the precipice of doing may be the most impactful thing that has ever affected NewAge, Hit Marinda, or Noni by NewAge. And it's not just because it's access to new products and access to new markets and access to new people and double their resources, double their profitability, double the everything. It's way more than that. This is going to make history in the industry. This is going to be a springboard for so many more things that are going to come. And I made a promise when I started to all of our IPCs that they would be first, that we would be IPC-led, and I would be committed to carrying them if I had to success. And this is just that next step in living up to that commitment. So I'm excited as we grow, and I'm excited as we take on this new opportunity, new challenge. But I'm excited because of what it means for all of you guys, and I can't wait for us all to experience it.